Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enter Elden Ring DLC. To enter the Elden Ring DLC, you first must have to defeat the character Stars Courage Raiden and Morg, Lord of the Blood. To do that, you first have to return to the Morgwin Dynasty Mausoleum and find Mikula Cocoon, and after that go to the throne at Morgwin Palace and speak to the new character standing next to the cocoon. That character name is Needle Knight Leda. He will instruct you to touch the arm hanging out of the cocoon to begin the DLC. Once you touch that arm, you will be transported to the Land of Shadow, which is the new map for the DLC. You can easily move in and out of that DLC map after that. I recommend that you will play first 30 to 50 hours of the game, then enter the DLC, as the game in the DLC map has higher difficulty. And this is how you can enter DLC Elden Ring. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.